Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to the AT4 Overland Bound channel. And today, I'm here at Northeast Off-Road Vehicles in their new location in Portland, Connecticut. And I am getting a roof rack installed from my newest sponsor, Martin Off-Road. I already assembled it at my house, and we'll talk about that later. But today, John from Northeast ORV is going to get it installed onto the roof. And then once that's all done, I'm going to give you my initial impressions and review of the rack. So follow along for the build process, and let's see what the final product looks like together. Well, there you have it, folks. My Martin off-road roof rack fully installed on my truck, thanks to my partnered and trusted shop, Northeast Off-Road Vehicles. Now, as you could probably tell, there was a little difficulty with drilling the front part of my roof, because apparently GM likes to put hardened steel in there. So unlike your Toyotas where you have pre-drilled holes, yeah. Other than that, the installation was seamless. The instructions that Martin Off-Road provides are very easy to understand. But let's get into a initial review of the roof rack, and I'll let you guys know what I think. The assembly process of the Martin off-road roof rack was incredibly straightforward. Although I cannot compare it to other roof racks, since I lack experience with them, I found the instructions to be clear and easy to follow. Within a mere 20 minutes, I was able to assemble all the components of the rack without any hassle. Once everything was put together, I was pleasantly surprised by how lightweight the rack turned out to be. This feature not only makes it easier to handle during installation, but also ensures that it does not add unnecessary weight to the vehicle, especially on the roof, which would change the center of gravity. After installation, the rack fits perfectly on my truck, thanks to the included spacers that allow it to sit slightly off of the vehicle's surface. This design choice not only adds a sleek and flush appearance to the overall look, but also prevents any potential damage or scratching to the vehicle's roof. However, one minor drawback I noticed is related to the crossbars. To mount items onto the rack, it is necessary to either unscrew one side and lift up the crossbar to insert 1/4 by 20 carriage bolts, or use a special drop-in T-nut. While this may seem inconvenient at first, it is not a major concern for me, as once any mounting hardware is in place, it's going to remain there. In terms of strength, the rack has already proven its durability. I have personally stood on top of it, and it held my weight without any issues. Additionally, I recently loaded my Gazelle G5 hub onto the rack and took a trip to the river. Despite the hub being relatively lightweight, the rack handled the extra weight effortlessly. Looking ahead, I have plans to mount 4 different items on the rack during my future adventures, including my water port, front runner boxes, the G5 hub, and a shower tent. I am excited to conduct a long-term review to assess how the rack performs with these additional items added. Overall, I am extremely satisfied with this rack, not only for its functionality, but also for the aesthetic appeal it adds to my truck. Martin Off-Road has managed to create a lightweight yet robust rack at an affordable price, and I am grateful to Gage for providing assistance with my build and allowing me to showcase his product on my vehicle. That's going to do it for this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments below regarding my new roof rack. And until next time, people, stay adventurous.